Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of Power BI tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, let's practice data. The previous tutorial, we have seen how to import data from a CSV file and Excel file. I recommend you to watch the tutorial and come to this tutorial. So, before uh, working with data, we have to import the data into Power BI. For that, we have to use get data. Data as office CSV file. Choose CSV. Choose the file. My file is sales data. Open. Connect to the CSV file. So when we connect to a file, we see three options: load, transform data, and cancel. So now I want this data cleaning. So I have to this transform. When we choose transform data, open a editor which is Power Query editor. It's nothing but a Power Query. So your Power Query is nothing but a ETL technology or a ETL tool used to extract, transform, and using Power Query connected to a source, they perform transformations like data cleaning and loading to the Power BI desktop. This is the data we have loaded. Sales data. Column names are order ID, product name, element, order date, customer ID, and region. Now, we can observe sale amount is product, sale amount is null. So, the sale amount should not be null. Should replace with the value. So, I want to replace with the zero. Right click on the row, replace with zero. Now, null is replaced with zero. And here also, the sale amount may not be negative. It is minus 50. I want to convert it to positive. That's why it's value is 52 plus 50. It's replaced with 50. Coming to order date, the order date column is not consistent. Now you see for this up to here, format is different. This format is different, and for this row there is no date format. So we have to convert into date data. That we have to write change type to date. So only date component is involved. That's why I'm choosing date. If time component is involved, you can use date type. This is changing data type. Next one is customer ID. The customer ID is looking consistent. There's no need of any changes. Coming to region, in the region, there is empty space for this row, for this product, for the customer ID. The region is empty. So a row should not be empty. We should replace with some value. So I'm replacing empty space with some value which is unknown. So I'm not giving any value here because we are finding a empty value, empty space. Now it is replaced with unknown. Next one is here for this row. The region is NA. NA is not available. So instead of NA, I want to replace with unknown. Right click on the column, replace values, NA with not available. Click on OK. Now it is, or you can replace with the unknown. and with the economic. Now, values represent with the not available actually, not available. So it's replaced. Now, when we see in this query settings, we can see these steps. So when we performing any kind of transformations or data cleaning, the steps is stored here. First, we replace the value. Next, we replace some other value, and we change the data type, and we replace it. So all these steps are stored. We can go to the specific step using by clicking on that step. So now we have to come to the this is the updated step. This is the latest step. So this is some data cleaning. Based on the data we load into Power Query. We can perform data cleaning, data transformations, and load into Power BI desktop. So in this tutorial, we have seen how to clean the data. So in the next tutorial, we perform some transformations with the data. And that's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share with your friends who are learning Power BI. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.